If you haven't seen part 1, I'm putting a link down there, so go watch that first. I was going to paint this Skyrim helmet today, but when I looked up a reference for the color, I noticed a lot of details that I got wrong or just completely ignored when I put the basic shape together. So I'm going to be adding those details right now. Doing a little bevel on the center part of his helmet using this soldering iron. And I'm going to do the same with the eyebrow area. Here's how the helmet looks in the actual game. A little more complicated than mine, so I'm going to draw with a marker where I'm going to cut. And I'm switching to this disc attachment so that I can make the cut on the side of the helmet. It's a little more accurate already. Now I'm going to mark the area where the second part of the helmet starts. Now I'm taking the 3D print pen to fill in the areas I just marked. Making the edges a little more pronounced. I lay down a little plastic, wait for it to cool just a little bit, and then mold it with my fingers. You see how that center strip does not run all the way down the helmet? I didn't know that when I put it together, so I'm going to take this sanding attachment and smooth that off. So the helmet's in two major segments. Now I'm going to draw out the lower part and then attach it. So I made the little strip. Now I just put a little hot plastic on the helmet and quickly attach the strip and then just keep doing that all the way around. Ah! Got burned again. That's pretty well attached. I'm just going to add a little on the inside to make sure it's really stuck. And I'm just going to fill in a little bit of the back section. Sand the inside a little bit. Got a bit lumpy where I made the attachment. And now I'll do a little more smoothing with the soldering iron. Now I'm heating the lower section in order to bend it outward a little bit. So heat up the whole thing, bend it in the spot that I want it, and then hold it like that until it cools. So you see the little indent in the middle, I'm going to melt that out right now. So make that shape a little more pronounced with the 3D print pen. Now just some overall smoothing with the soldering iron. A little bit of sanding. Now I'm digging out that same shape on the upper section of the helmet with the Dremel. And make it more pronounced with a 3D print pen. Looks looks about right. Now just some overall cleanup with the soldering iron, smoothing stuff out. Make those edges a little more crisp with the sander here. Alright, let's try it on. No, I would say that looks a bit more accurate. Yeah, I'm happy with that. Alright, thanks for watching this. Next time I'm going to be painting this.